Here's how to get your Roblox account back if you can't access your email or password. This guide helps you with forgotten emails, lost phone numbers, hacked accounts, and locked accounts. So in order to recover your Roblox account without your email or password, you need to use your phone number. If you've added your phone number to your Roblox account, go to the Roblox login page, click on Forgot Password or Forgot Username option. If you know your username, simply go ahead and enter your username. After that, tap on Next and you'll get the option of Password section where you need to enter your correct form of your password to log in. And if you do not have an access to your password, or if you forgot your password, or if your account is hacked, you've forgotten your email, go ahead and tap on Forgot Your Password option. And here it will ask you to enter your username, email, or phone number. Go ahead, choose your country and type in your phone number and enter the code Roblox sends to your phone. Make a new password and log in. Now let's go ahead and talk about recovering your account using your username. Go ahead, enter your username and then go to Forgot Your Password section. It will again ask you to enter your phone number, email, or username. If you do not have your email or phone number, go ahead, enter your username in this box and then tap on Next. Now this will ask you to enter your email or phone number that is linked to your account. So go ahead, open your web browser on your phone. Then simply search for Roblox support page or form. Tap on submit request. This will take you to the contact form where you need to enter your username, which is associated with your account, and then enter your first name, which is optional. Skip the email address part as you do not remember it, and then enter your device that you're having problem on and enter the type of help category, and please describe your issue in this box. You can go ahead and explain them that you are not able to recover or access your ID as you have forgotten your password, your email, or phone number. Roblox will contact you within 24 to 48 hours and help you fix your problem. You can also recover through the billing. If you purchased Robux, give Roblox support your payment receipts from Google Play, Apple Store, or credit or debit card, and they'll check your ownership and help you get your account back even without your email or password. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.